Welcome to this module on the Cooper-Bussmann open and enclosed rotary disconnect switches. Before we get started, let's look at what we'll be covering in this module. By the end of this module, you will be able to identify the available UL98 and UL508 open and enclosed disconnect switches, describe the disconnect switch features and benefits, determine appropriate UL disconnect switch ratings, understand the range of accessories, and find additional product information. Let's get to know the Cooper-Bussmann open and enclosed rotary disconnect switch line. The Cooper-Bussmann open and enclosed rotary disconnect switch line has an extensive portfolio of open and enclosed disconnect switches, is available in both fused and non-fused versions, is up to 600 volts AC, are available from 16 amps to 1200 amps, and is rated UL98, UL489, or UL508. Cooper-Bussmann offers both open and enclosed rotary disconnect switches. Open disconnect switches are typically installed in panels with other components and can be operated in a variety of configurations. Enclosed disconnect switches offer a pre-assembled solution. Both open and enclosed disconnect switches offer rich features and benefits. The most common parts are in stock and ship within 24 hours with the Cooper-Bussmann Quick Ship Everyday service, making it easy to meet project schedules. Easy to install modular accessories including finger-safe terminal shrouds, switched fourth poles, terminal lugs, and auxiliary contacts make it simple to configure or enhance each disconnect switch for the desired application. Double break feature on all fused disconnect switches helps ensure both line side and load side of the fuse are disconnected when the switch is off. This helps ensure complete fuse isolation and helps prevent the risk of load side feedback when accessing fuses, helping to reduce hazard to personnel. Both open and enclosed rotary disconnect switches are either UL98 or UL489 listed for general purpose, main disconnect, branch circuit protection, or service entrance use, or UL508 listed for motor disconnect applications. Let's take a closer look at the features that are specific to open and enclosed rotary disconnect switches. Let's begin with the open style. Cooper-Bussmann offers fused and non-fused open rotary disconnect switches from 16 amps to 1200 amps and accessories for a broad range of applications. Most disconnect switches can be operated with a front, right side, flange, or direct mount handle mechanism for increased flexibility and reduced inventory. SCCR options of 100 kA and 200 kA are available for 30 amp and 60 amp Class J fused disconnect switches, and options of 25 kA and 200 kA for 100 amp non-fused disconnect switches. This provides users the option of selecting a disconnect switch with SCCR that best suits the application, allowing users flexibility and control when designing panels. Fused UL98 open rotary disconnect switches can be NFPA 79 compliant with optional NFPA 79 handle kits. Open-style disconnect switches are available in the following versions: Compact UL98 or UL489 fused, Standard UL98 fused, Compact UL98 non-fused, Standard UL98 non-fused, and Standard UL508 non-fused. The Compact UL98 and UL489 fused disconnects have the following features: a smaller footprint than the Standard UL98 fused disconnects, are available in 30 amp Class CC, 30 amp Class J, and 60 amp Class J. 30 amp sizes are UL listed to UL489, and 60 amp sizes are UL listed to UL98. Have an SCCR of 100 kA, can be DIN rail mounted, can be operated by a direct mount handle or front rotary handle and shaft, and 60 amp version can also be operated by a right side rotary handle and a shaft or flange handle. The standard UL98 fused disconnects have the following features: are available from 30 to 800 amps, can be panel mounted, 30 to 100 amps can be DIN rail mounted, have an SCCR of 200 kA, All versions can be operated by a direct mount handle or a front rotary handle and shaft. 30 to 400 amp version can also be operated by a right side rotary handle and shaft, and 30 to 200 amp version can be operated by a flange handle. The compact UL98 non-fused disconnects have the following features. They have a smaller footprint than the standard UL98 non-fused disconnects, are available in 30 to 100 amps, can be DIN rail or panel mounted, and can be operated by a direct mount handle, front rotary handle and shaft, or right side rotary handle and shaft. The standard UL98 non-fused disconnects have the following features. Are available from 100 to 1200 amps, can be panel mounted, and can be operated by a direct mount handle or a front rotary handle and shaft. The UL508 non-fused disconnects have the following features. Are available from 16 to 80 amps, can be DIN rail or panel mounted, can be door mounted with a kit, can all be operated by a direct mount handle, front rotary handle and shaft, or right side rotary handle and shaft, and can be ganged together with the conversion kit to create a 6-pole switch or an 8-pole switch with the addition of a switched 4th pole. The features and benefits of the enclosed style of rotary disconnect switches. The enclosed rotary disconnect switches are available in 3 versions with a wide range of amp ratings to meet the needs of virtually any application. These include standard UL98 fused enclosed disconnects available from 30 to 800 amps, standard UL98 non-fused enclosed disconnects available from 30 to 1200 amps, and standard UL508 non-fused enclosed disconnects available from 16 to 80 amps. Bussmann enclosed rotary disconnect switches are available in NEMA 1, 3R, 4, 12, 4X stainless steel, and 4X plastic enclosures for a broad range of application environments. 3-pole and 6-pole UL508 motor disconnect switches provide flexibility for single or dual motor disconnect applications. All enclosed disconnect switches offer a full line of field-installed accessories and can be ordered with the option of black or red and yellow handles, allowing users to enhance the enclosed disconnect switch to fit the desired application. The Cooper-Bussmann open and enclosed rotary disconnect switches have the following agency listings, codes, and standards. UL98 or UL489 listed for general purpose, main disconnect, branch circuit protection or service entrance up to 600 volts AC, 250 volts DC. UL508 listed for motor disconnect applications up to 600 volts AC. RoHS compliant, CE compliant, and IEC compliant. Let's now look at the target markets and applications. Our typical customers include UL508 panel builders, original equipment manufacturers, process or factory or building automation engineers, machine builders, facility maintenance, industrial facilities, and contractors. Our target applications include motor control panels, load braking, UPS, food and beverage, and HVAC equipment. For additional information, visit www.cooperbussmann.com/disconnects. It is the best source for up-to-date product brochures, specifications, drawing downloads, and competitor cross-reference. Customer service, technical support, and a distributor locator for Cooper-Bussmann electrical products can be found by following the Contact Us link at the top right of each page. You have come to the end of this module on Cooper-Bussmann rotary disconnect switches. Take a quick look at some of the key takeaways. The Cooper-Bussmann rotary disconnect switches are available in fused and non-fused versions and listed to UL98, UL489, or UL508. Are voltage rated for up to 600 volts AC, are available as open components or pre-mounted in NEMA 1, 3R, 4, 12, 4X stainless steel, and 4X plastic enclosures. Are operable in a variety of handle configurations, increasing flexibility for configuration at point of use and reduces need for multiple SKU inventory. Use modular accessories including auxiliary contacts, finger-safe terminal shrouds, switched fourth poles, and handle mechanisms, and are part of the quick ship everyday service, with the most common SKUs in stock shipping within 24 hours.